In this video, we're going to explore the tools within post-processing and how to set up so that we can use it in our scene. We should have already installed it using the package manager. And to begin, we need to select our main camera, scroll to the bottom, click Add Component, and we'll need to search for Post. The camera requires the post-process layer component. If you have fog appear in the background, you can simply disable this by unchecking deferred fog. The next step is to go to our layer at the top of the camera inspector, select Add Layer, and in the first available box, create a new layer called Post-Processing. You'll need to reselect the camera and now apply this layer to both the inspector and the post-process layer component. The second object we'll use is a new empty game object that we will call Post-Processing. This allows us to easily navigate our hierarchy and understand where certain elements are. We'll need to apply the post-processing layer to this object as well. Click Add Component, and this time add the post-process volume. If we want this to apply to the whole scene, we can tick Is Global. Volumes can also have colliders attached to the same object, and this will allow you to have different spaces within your scene have different effects through the post-process stack. You will see that we need a profile. If we've not made one already, we can simply click New. This is all we need to do to set up for our post-process scene. Following this, you can click Add Effect when you have the empty game object selected, and you'll see an array of different effects we can apply to our scene. In the next video, we'll explore some of these and introduce how they work.